Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dr. Vet for Students, and this is Dr. Manjuna. The purpose of the video is for the better students and the better citizens of the country. Today's topic for the discussion: show empathy, not only the sympathy. So empathy alone is a characteristic of a positive personality. People with empathy ask themselves, how would I feel if someone treats me like that? When you share your sorrow, it divides, and if you share your happiness, it multiplies. So let us know the difference between sympathy and empathy. If you are showing sympathy towards somebody, it is like, I understand your feelings, you say in sympathy. But empathy is saying, I feel about your feelings. Sympathy has the element of pity in it, and it ends with the words. Empathy triggers the action to relieve the pain of the person. Empathy is nothing but living in somebody's feeling. That means not only understanding but living in their feeling. Just imagine if you empathize with the people, like maybe your employee or the employer or the subordinates or even the family members, you think how beautiful the life will be and how happy the life will be. I want to share a story about the empathy. So there was a boy, a young boy. So he went near a pet shop, and in a cage he saw four puppies. In fact, three of them were kept separately and one was kept separately. And he inquired with the owner. So he wanted to purchase a puppy, and he asked what is the cost of the puppy. He said it is 3,000. So on this boy had only 1,000 rupees with him, and he asked what is the cost of the other puppy which is kept separate. So the owner said, no, no, it is not for sale. Actually, it is a lame puppy, and we are just kept away. So, but this boy asked, no, 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 I want that puppy only. And then boy said, so I can give you a good price for that. Please give me that puppy. And then the owner told, no, with the same cost you are getting a better puppy. Why you are opting for that? Saying so, he gave the advance amount as 1,000, and he ran back home, and he got remaining 2,000 rupees, and he gave it to the owner. Then the owner asked him, why you are purchasing this lame puppy? Rather than you can go for the better one which you can get at the same price. And then the boy just lifted his pants, and at the right leg, actually, he was a lame boy. In fact, he had a plastic leg. By seeing that, really, the owner felt really sorry. A lame person can only understand or can feel the suffering of another lame person. This how, definitely, if you have empathy in life rather than sympathy, you will reach good heights and you will have the positive personality. Empathy generates understanding, loyalty, peace of mind, and higher productivity. If you want to attain greatness in your life, better strive for the good. The greatness comes by itself. If you really like my video, please do share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.